In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to look up your IP address using NordVPN. Now, before we dive into the steps, let's briefly discuss why knowing your IP address might be important. Your IP address acts like a digital postal address, allowing data to travel back and forth between your device and the rest of the internet. It can reveal your approximate location and is crucial for activities like troubleshooting network issues or setting up remote desktop connections. Let's get started with a guide that will show you just how simple it is to find this valuable piece of information. First, you'll want to open your internet browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, they all work just fine for this purpose. Make sure you have a stable internet connection as well, as this will ensure everything runs smoothly. Once your browser is open, type in the URL nordvpn.com, and hit enter. This takes you to a dedicated page provided by NordVPN that is designed specifically to show you your IP information. It's a secure and straightforward way to learn more about your current network details. As soon as you navigate to this page, it will instantly display a variety of information right on the screen. The first thing you'll notice is your current IP address. This numerical label is what uniquely identifies your network on the internet. Having this information at your fingertips can be quite beneficial, especially if you're trying to troubleshoot any connectivity issues. But that's not all. The page will also show your virtual location. This means it will display the general area that your IP address is associated with. This information is usually accurate to the level of city or region rather than a specific street address. It's interesting to see, especially if you're curious about what your internet provider advertises as your location. Furthermore, the page informs you about your internet service provider, often shortened to ISP. This is the company responsible for providing you with internet access, and seeing this information can verify that you're connecting through the network you intended to be on. Finally, if you're connected to NordVPN, be sure to take a look at your IP address again. It should be different from your actual IP address, reflecting the location of the VPN server you're connected to. This is a good way to ensure that your internet traffic is being routed through the VPN, which adds an extra layer of privacy and security to your online activities. And there you have it. A quick and easy guide to checking your IP address using NordVPN is a straightforward process that can yield quite a bit of useful information. Whether for technical, security, or just plain curiosity reasons, knowing how to check your IP address is a valuable skill in today's digital age. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.